right there. I desire to pull up to that big house in my name.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ANTIGORGEOUS here with another video. As you guys can see by the title, this is a Halloween look. This is an inspired look by Zendaya, but Tina Halada just recreated it. As far as Halloween looks, I feel like Tina Halada slays Halloween look, so I just wanted to try to recreate Zendaya's Halloween look from last year. I have a robe on just like Zendaya has on. I think I'm gonna actually take it off while I do my makeup because I'm pretty hot in this. I'm going to be following Tina Halada's tutorial, so she made it look pretty easy. I wanted to do something that was not going to take me a lot of time. So basically this look is like glam, but it has some Halloween aspects to it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pin my hair back because I do have gray hair and I don't want a ton of makeup in my hair. This hair attracts a lot of makeup the moment I start putting my foundation on. So just going to get that out the way. I want to kind of speed through my face makeup because it's like a normal tutorial that you guys always see me do. It's pretty boring and it's pretty repetitive. You guys have seen me do this hundreds of times. So I am going to tell you guys what products I'm using, so it's just not silent, you know, but I am using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. My shade is in Cappuccino or D70, so I'm just going to apply this all over my face. For concealer to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. My shade is in Chestnut. I'm just going to apply this like I would normally apply any concealer. And I've been liking this concealer a lot. This has been my everyday concealer. I'm also going to use this for my eyes because I do need to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to apply this on my eyelids as well. Bam! Now I'm looking highlighted. I am going to set with my Sacha Buttercup. I like using Sacha Buttercup because it's like yellow tones in it. I'm going to use a darker shade in here to kind of like bring color back to my face. Since I highlighted, I kind of look extra light when I do the highlighting process. So just want to bring back my mocha chocolate. I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit and I'll bring it in the crease. This is going to help with my transition shade as well. Even though I think I'm just going to do like two shadows. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M518 brush to do my nose contour slash eye crease color. So I think I'm still using this Morphe brush because now we're going to move on to our eyes. I'm going to use my Lime Crime Venus palette. I feel like because it got all the little shades that I need in here to kind of create like a sultry eye. I'm going to go in with Creation, which kind of probably will blend in with my contour crease color, but we're going to see. I'm kind of getting my brush saturated, going to knock some of that off, and then we're just going to work this on the ends of our eyes. And yes, this color is really giving me what I need because I need like that fall warm color. Change it up, I wanna spend my life with you. I'm actually just gonna put this on my whole entire lid because I'm not doing any cut creases or anything. So just blow this out on your lid. I just kind of started on the ends of my eye because I didn't know how this color was gonna look. So now I'm just going to continue to build this up. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M431 brush. It's kind of like a pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with that same creation color and put it on my lower lash line because I want everything to look cohesive, you know. This same palette, I'm going to go in with brown now. So I'm just going to use this brown and kind of like add more definition, but I am going to put it all over my lid, and I'm also going to add it to the bottom lash line as well. So same process, just a different color. I'm going to put my lashes on off camera, and I'm going to come right back so we can start with the stitching and the blood effects and all that. So I have on my lashes, and the lashes that I'm wearing were sent to me by Cosmic Girl Lashes. These are called Iconic. You guys can follow them on Instagram at Cosmic Girl. But thank you, girl, for sending me these lashes. These are perfect for this look. So back to the tutorial. For the stitching, you will need something black, so I'm going to be using the NYX matte liquid liner to do the lines, and then you're going to need something white on the side, so I'm going to be using another NYX product. This is their NYX white eyeliner, and then I'm going to be using the bronzer that I use for my face, because you want the bronzer to match your shadows in your face. So I'm going to be using this shade right here that you guys saw me use earlier. I'm going off of Tina's picture. Looks like this. So she has like a stitching on her eyebrow and down the center, so I think I'm gonna start there first. Try to make this line as straight as possible. I'm gonna be using a smudge brush by e.l.f. It looks like this, and it's gonna be easy for me to just go right ahead and place the white where I want to, because you're basically shading this out. I'm gonna actually use the jumbo eyeshadow by NYX instead of the small one. I feel like it would be easy for me to work with this. So I'm just going to go right ahead and shade this out. I'm going to use a little pencil eyeshadow brush that I used earlier, and I'm going to go in with my contour shade, and I'm going to do the other side with the contour. Basically, to make it look like stitches, you just go straight across. Nothing fancy, just go straight across with your liquid eyeliner. But I want to fix this line a bit more. I'm going to do the stitch that's across the face. So we're going to try to get this without messing up, because black, once I mess up with this black, I feel like it's going to be a done deal. So let's take your time. Okay, so then you just basically do the same process that we did earlier with the white. Now I'm going to go in, back in with the bronzer on the opposite side that you drew the white line. I'm pretty much done with my face. I am going to add like a little lightning bolts of like white and like the blood but I'm going to be using lipstick, but I am going to add like a little cut right here off camera because you guys already saw how I did this, and I'll be back with the rest of the effect. So now I'm going to add the blood, but I'm not adding like fake blood. I'm actually going to use a lip liner and lipstick. I'm going to use the lip liner first just to see how red it is, and if it doesn't look red enough, then I'm just going to go in and just add this a little bit so it can look more red like how I want it. And this is the Absolute New York lip liner. This is in True Red, so I'm just going to use this. So this is how it's looking. I think I'm actually gonna go in with the lipstick because this is a little bit too like matte. I'm just gonna try to use the wand and just go on top of the liner. Oh, and this lipstick is from Carity. This is the Carity lipstick in Candid. Sorry guys. The lip was pretty much simple, so I'm just going to go right ahead and use my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in Downtown Beauty. And then I'm just going to top it off with another Carity lipstick, but this is in Sugary Sweet. And I'm just going to put some Fenty Gloss on top. So I'm just going to go right ahead and do that. So I hope you guys, for the third time I'm doing this outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of this look. Do you guys think you can create this at home? And if you do recreate it, make sure you guys tag me. I want to see. Tag Tina, tag Zendaya, tag whoever you saw do this look. I'll see you guys in my next Halloween tutorial. Slay every day. Bye guys.